Hey Amit, you hungry?
Starving.
You want some noodles?
Yep.
Come on.
I'm ready.
I made you some udon.
Awesome.
In this beautiful kitchen.
Can't wait. So we're in beautiful Hallandale Beach today with
Tara, hi.
And we're gonna be cooking an amazing Asian recipe. Well, Tara is.
That's right.
But before we do that, we're gonna check out the beach.
Okay, let's see it. All right, so we're gonna boil the udon noodles. I'm gonna chop up the veggies. I'm gonna saute the aromatics, whip up this yummy, yummy sauce, and then whip it all together. Here we go. I'm gonna make Amit sweat today with this noodle dish. These are ready to go in the pot. Easy peasy, don't have to do anything. I'm gonna use the white parts and saute those with the aromatics, and then the green tips are gonna go on top as kind of the topping. Another little cheat is instead of buying a head of garlic and chopping it up yourself, you can just buy minced garlic. So easy. Now we're gonna make the sauce. So I've got soy sauce, a little rice wine vinegar, some agave for some sweetness, and then toasted sesame seed oil. Oh, I don't really measure. I just kind of eyeball it. Udon is basically the Japanese version of spaghetti. It's pretty easy to make. It's gonna boil for 10 minutes and then it's ready to go.
Hello!
We got Jade,
Tara.
my team member!
I'm not eating, but she's gonna make a delicious meal, right? What are you making?
Udon noodles, babe. I wish you could stay and have some with us.
Well, maybe I'll come back.
All right, I think the noodles are ready, so we're gonna let Amit decide. I'm gonna blow that.
Yeah, it's hot as hell. Oh my God.
So this is kind of like a seitan pork. This is completely natural. It's all ingredients that you can pronounce, which is really important. I like to add it because it gives it kind of a meaty texture. I'm a really passionate home chef. I love to eat. I love to eat well. And so I realized the best way to do that regularly was to teach myself how to cook. Here's where the magic happens. Mixing all the veggies. A very important ingredient that I'm obsessed with is chili crisp. It's this Chinese chili with Szechuan peppers. This is magic. So Amit, I know you're a meat eater.
Yep.
And you know that I'm not.
Right, totally.
So I made an udon dish with veggies and seitan. So tell me if you miss meat when you eat this, okay?
Will do. So do you eat it like spaghetti?
Yeah, I eat it like spaghetti.
Okay, let's do this. I feel like I'm at the best Asian restaurant and having a lot of meat, but it's not. It's really good. And the spice levels are nice. Obviously, go big or go home. And I like that Tara doesn't go home. So we're on the penthouse unit. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It is 1,312 square feet under AC. And we have direct ocean view. It's amazing. The floors are 1.5 feet higher than the other ones in the building. And it's only $800,000. It almost seems too low, right?
It seems too good to be true, really. With this view and this kitchen.
Right, totally. It's like you're at a resort. You even have shuffleboard. If you want shuffleboard, you have it. So you have a ton of stuff, billiards room, gym, conference room, just everything, beach service. So we tried something new today. We have one of the best drone operators in the world. He's on movie sets, Formula One, he just does everything. And we thought it would be amazing to have this drone fly through the house and go on the beach and just take a look at everything. Just let us know how you like that. If you like this, we'll do it in more of our videos.
So if you're interested in this unit or any other unit similar to this, contact me. I'm your agent. I'm ready to work with you.
Will you give them a recipe too?
I will give you a recipe, and if you buy a house, I'll cook the first meal for you. How about that?
That's amazing.